Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 24th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did actually see a bit of a sell-off that accelerated into the afternoon after Nancy Pelosi hinted at an impeachment inquiry on Trump. By the end of the session, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was lower by 142 points. The S&P 500 giving up 25 points, while the Nasdaq 100 was down 118 points, and the Russell 2000 was lower by almost 25 points. The bond market advanced, and the yield on the 10-year note dropping back to 1.642%. Crude oil also selling off, down $1.53 or 2.61%. While gold futures were higher by $8.40 or 0.55% on weakness in the US dollar. Now, after market close, Nike delivered quarterly earnings, that is, and delivered for real. They came out with some pretty decent numbers. They beat on all metrics. They announced earnings of 86 cents per share compared to an analyst estimate of 70 cents, and revenue of 10.66 billion compared to revenue of 10.44 billion. So during the regular session, they were down about 0.5%, but after market close, they're currently trading higher by $4.47 or 5.13%. So expect a gap tomorrow on Nike, and it's important because that means we clear all of this range that we've been in for a while, and it looks like we'll be breaking out not only out of this range, but breaking out to new all-time highs. So no resistance up ahead. We have momentum behind this move. Looks good for a continuation of that move higher. And that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.